Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. In trade on Tuesday, if you see, Nifty continued its positive momentum from the previous trading session and achieved a fresh all-time high for a brief moment before attracting heavy amount of profit taking and ending the day down 0.17%. This led to the formation of a price rejection at its overhead supply zone closer towards 22,775 and enhanced the significance of the said supply zone. Among the sectorial indices, if we see, Nifty, Auto and Realty were the best performing indices for the day, witnessing gains to the tune of 1.82 and 1.5% respectively, while weakness continued in Nifty IT, which lost 1.13% for the day. Coming to the macro factors, so if you see, while the US Fed has decided to hold its benchmark interest rate steady for the sixth consecutive time, signaling a delay to cut interest rates amidst higher inflation. Dollar index has shown some steadiness around 105.70 levels, while the US 10-year bond yield stabilizing at levels closer towards 4.6%. Meanwhile, crude oil too has cooled off to $83-84 a barrel, and that is a positive from an overall Indian macroeconomic standpoint. Coming to Nifty levels, so going ahead, 22,500, 22,550 will act as a crucial support for the index, while the resistance is seen at 22,740, 22,760 levels. Any sustainable move below the levels of 22,500 will lead to further selling pressure in the index towards the mark of 22,380, 22,330 levels. Coming to the OI data, so if you see, Nifty PCR is currently at 0.99. Meaningful call writing was witnessed across 22,700, 22,800 strike, while put writing was witnessed in 22,600 and 22,500 strike, implying that the range for the coming few sessions could be 22,480 on the downside and 22,770 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, so for Bank Nifty, 49,000, 48,900 will act as the crucial support for the index, and till 48,900 holds, the index can continue its positive momentum up to 49,850, 50,000 levels. Above 50,000, Bank Nifty could witness further up move towards 50,400, 50,700 levels, while on the downside, if there is a breakdown below 48,900, it would lead to selling pressure towards the mark of 48,300, 48,400 levels in the coming few sessions. Looking at the Bank Nifty open interest data, so if you see, Bank Nifty PCR, that is the put call ratio, is currently at 0.94. Significant call writing, if you see, is seen at 49,500, 50,000 strikes, while on the put side it is majorly seen in 49,300, 49,000 strikes, implying a broad range of 48,900 on the downside and 49,700 on the upside for the coming few sessions. Looking at stocks and sectors in momentum, so if you see, from the broader market counters such as Mahindra and Mahindra, Power Grid, Grasim, REC, PFC, JSW Energy, Prestige and Ashok Leyland, these are the counters which are looking good based on technical parameters as well as on the relative strength chart. Coming to the FII DI data, so if you see, in the cash market segment, both FIIs and DIs were net buyers to the tune of 1,071 and 1,429 crores respectively, that is in Tuesday's trading session. FIIs, the long short ratio for index futures has definitely witnessed a rebound and is currently at 52.13 on a net basis. This as they purchased about 62,410 index futures. On the stock futures front, FIIs have bought to the tune of 89,507 contracts, while on the options front, FIIs bought 99,338 call contracts and they simultaneously purchased 1,49,609 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast, and we wish you all have an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.